싶어요. 일이 힘든 건 얼마든지 견디겠는데 사람 때문에 힘든 건 몸도 마음도 견딜 수 없을 만큼 지치네요. 예. 사람이 항상 힘들죠. 예. 이겨내셔야 됩니다. 이 곡이 도움이 된다면 전해드려야죠. KBS 이라디오 이상호의 드림팝 수요일 밤 끝곡 해리 코닉 주니어의 He is They Are 듣고요. 인사할게요. 드림팝 이상호였습니다. 오늘도 꿈같은 시간이었어요.
He is good, they are happy. He is strong, they are secure. He is right, they are unquestioning. He is wrong, they are demure. When she left, he was tortured. She was gone, they were confused. He was forgetful, they were supportive. He was funny, they were amused. He did things that only Superman could do. Sis and I could not believe were true. He is older, they are loving. He is hardened, they are grown. He is needing, they are giving. He is glad they are his own. He did things that only Superman could do. I remember things that Sis and I could not believe were true.